Weeme Clippers are marketed as professional quality cordless hair clippers that supposedly deliver barber-level cuts at home for a budget price. But the real question is, are they actually worth trying? Now, to be fair, Weeme Clippers do appear to be real functioning grooming tools, not a fake scam product. They offer standard features like cordless operation, rechargeable batteries, guide combs, and metal-style clipper designs. What it does well, affordable entry-level option. The biggest advantage is price. Weeme Clippers are far cheaper than premium barber brands like Wall or Andis. Good enough for basic home grooming. For simple trims, beard maintenance, and casual self-haircuts, many budget clippers perform reasonably well. Where it falls short, probably not true professional quality. This is the biggest reality check. The branding heavily pushes barber-grade performance, but most budget clippers cannot fully match premium professional tools. Long-term durability is questionable. Cheaper clippers often develop weaker batteries, louder motors, or duller blades faster than established brands. May struggle with thick hair. Lower-powered motors can snag or pull thicker hair textures during longer sessions. So, are Weeme Clippers worth a try? Short answer, yes for casual budget grooming, probably not for serious barber-level use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.